How to fix your Charge 6 notifications. So first of all, you can make sure your Fitbit app does have notifications turned on, and if they ask you to allow Fitbit to send notifications, of course you set it so that it is enabled. So go ahead and press on allow. Anyways, you can also check for Bluetooth and distance. You can keep your Fitbit Charge 6 near your phone and make sure the Bluetooth is on. Notifications will not work properly if the tracker is disconnected. Since we've already allowed phone notifications and notifications in the Fitbit app, you can go ahead and proceed to making sure your DND, or which is this thing, is not turned off. Check both your phone and Fitbit Charge 6, and finally you can just try restarting your phone and Fitbit Charge 6, then open the Fitbit app and sync. If it still fails, you can remove the Charge 6 from Bluetooth settings, set up notifications again in the Fitbit app, and then just try reconnecting it. Those are some things you can try if your notifications isn't working, so hopefully this helps. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.